Good one.
Hey guys, so today's video is about 5 great ways to market your business during the upcoming Thanksgiving, Black Friday, Cyber Monday holiday. Okay, so let's get right into it. Number 1 is offer a free gift with purchase. Customers love free. Free. I don't know why, they just love free. So if you go ahead and offer a free gift with purchase, it could be a free gift with a purchase of a dollar amount or more, or it could be a free gift with any purchase that will entice the customer to want to buy, and they will shop with you. So definitely think about offering something free, just a small little free token of thank you for shopping with me. That would be great for your business on this upcoming holiday. Number 2 is start marketing early. You definitely don't want to wait till the last minute to market. You want to make sure that your customers see you, they know you, they remember you, they write you on their list, because you can get forgotten easily with the big box stores running their sales. So you definitely want to start marketing, I would say November 1st, because that's when people start thinking about shopping a lot. So you definitely want to start marketing and let them know that, hey, we're here, we're gonna have sales, and come shop with us. Number 3, offer pre-Black Friday sales. So you definitely want to let them taste the sale, but not actually get the entire sale that's going to happen on Black Friday or Cyber Monday. So you want to give them a little dip in it, but not so much. But you just want to get them something to get them started, to get them hyped about the sales, to get them revved up so that they want to keep coming back to you for more, and they ultimately want to check out, if this is a great sale, then what are those Black Friday and Cyber Monday sales going to be? You want to keep that thought in their head. So definitely want to dip with the pre-Black Friday sales. Number 4 is make nice Christmas bundles for easy gifting. And what I mean by that is you definitely want to showcase your products in maybe some nice little Christmas wrapping, and you definitely want to put some bows on it to make it festive, so that the customer looks at it and says, oh, that's really cute and nice, and I really don't have to gift wrap it myself, because a lot of people don't like to gift wrap, or they don't know how to gift wrap. So if it's already done for them, that gives them more incentive to want to purchase your product and ship it, get it shipped to them. And so they can just easily put their little card on there and their name, and they can give it to their loved one. So you definitely want to consider maybe some nice Christmas wrapping for your products. Number 5, and this might go without saying, but offer free shipping. I don't know what it is, but customers love free shipping. Okay, they will put $250 in their carts, and when it comes down to $5 shipping, they're like, oh my God, I cannot believe that. No, I'm not paying that. I don't know what it is, but a lot of customers just don't like paying for shipping. That is the bread and butter of Amazon's Prime, and why a lot of people pay for Prime, and why Amazon is boom big business, because they offer that that option of free shipping. So you definitely want to use this time. If you haven't offered it any other time during the year, you definitely want to offer it this year or this time of year to entice your customers to come on and shop with you and try your products, or get some more products, their favorite products, whatever it is. You definitely want to use that sales tactic, because it really works. Customers automatically love free shipping. Okay, if all they have to do is pay for their products and pay maybe a little tax, boom, they love that, because that's the same thing that they do in store. They don't have to pay for shipping in store. It's the convenience of it. So definitely want to try and see if you can offer free shipping for your customers. All of these tactics that I'm giving you, make sure that they are feasible for your business. You don't want to go, out of business trying to give away free products or trying to do free shipping if it is not feasible for your business. If it does not work and you cannot afford that, then you definitely don't want to use these tactics. But if you can, you definitely want to try to use it, because that will bring in more customers to your business. this video was helpful for you, please leave a comment down below. Let me know, guys, if you liked it, if you hated it, if it was useful for you, if you have any other suggestions, if you have any sales tactics that you use and you would like to share them below, please leave them down below. I love to read them, and I'm sure they would help someone else as well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.